Hey everyone, welcome to SS Academy. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about giving links to our HTML files. If you've ever Googled something, if you ever search something, maybe in the websites you see that in the website they have links in the top or in the bottom or in anywhere. Okay, and if you click on this link, that link will forward you to the somewhere. And in this video, we're gonna see how we can do the same thing for our websites. Okay, first of all, let's go to the body tag. Inside this body tag, I'm gonna create a new tag. And that tag will be a tag. I'm just gonna type out here $a, and I'm gonna write here the href. Okay, this href is the attribute of this a tag. If you write here the equal and the quotation marks, inside this quotation marks you should write your link. I'm just gonna type out here www.3schools.com. okay, but if you see, after writing this, the atom actually don't render this, because if you want to write your link, you should write here the HTTP or HTTPS. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna type out HTTPS, the column and /. Okay, you can see after writing this, now Atom will get this as link. Okay, let's just close this, and I'm just gonna write here the $, the /, and the closing of this a tag. And inside this a tag, we can write our text. I'm gonna write here the click, and here, okay, and the exclamation mark. Okay, if you save this page, if you go to your web page and let's refresh this, you can see I just saw here the click here. If you click on this, you're gonna come to your schools.com website. Okay, so let's go previous page, and for example, if you want to write this click here word italic or the bold, what you can do, I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna say the italic, okay, and I'm gonna write here the same thing, the / italic, and save this file. If you refresh, you're gonna see this click here became italic. Or let's change this to bold. I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna say B, and here also B. Okay, if you come here, if you refresh this, you can see it became bold here. If you click on this, you can see I just open this schools.com in the same tab, but I don't want to do this. I want to write, for example, if I click here, I want to open this schools.com in the new tab. For doing this, we should come to our Atom and we should write here the target. For example, the target is another attribute for this a tag. I'm just gonna write here target equal, and inside this quotation marks, I'm gonna write here the underscore and blank here. Okay, if you come here, let's just close this and let's just refresh this. If I click this click here, you're gonna see I just saw this schools in the new tab. Okay guys, so let's come here again. For example, I always wrote here the same link, but however, you can write here the files. You can see here I have a bunch of files here. For example, if I want to say, if you click this link, I just want to say go to the new file. What I can do here, what is the name of this index2.html? The name of this is index2.html actually. Okay, let's use this as a link. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna say index2. And here we should write the extension of this file, and it is HTML file. Okay, if you come to this website, if you refresh this and let's just click here, you can see I just came to the new HTML file, and the title is second HTML file, and the inside of it we have this is other HTML file. You can see from here. So guys, for example, you can see here that inside this my Atom folder, we have index2.html and index.html. They are in the same directory. But you can see here I have new folder, and that is folder 2. And inside this folder too, I have one more file. If I want to see this, for example, if I want to see this, what I can do, I can come here and I can say here the new file dot and the extension of this file. Okay, new file.html, you can see as here. But if I come here and if I say refresh this page and if I say here click, you can see I got an error, file not found, because this is not true file directory that I wrote here. I should say that I want to get this new file that is inside this folder too. For doing this, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna say folder 2 and the / and I wrote here the file name. Okay, let's go our website again. Let's just close this, refresh this, and if I click here, you can see I just came to the new HTML file that is inside this folder too. Okay guys, for example, let's write here a complex stuff here. I'm just gonna remove this. For example, I want to say, let's just close this and also this folder. I want to say, when you click this link, go to the index2.html. Okay, and in this index2.html, I'm just gonna create a new link. I'm gonna say a and href, and I'm gonna write here at this time, go to this index.html. I'm gonna say index.html. Actually, it is index.html. Okay, I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna say click here. Okay, and I'm gonna just close off this a tag. Okay, let's come to our website, and here I'm just gonna refresh, and if I click here, you can see I just came to the new HTML file. And if you click here, you're gonna see this. If you click here, actually it is a kind of like of scary thing. Okay guys, let's close them off. For example, you can also give the videos or the audio files or the pictures here. For example, I have here the new car picture. I'm just gonna say, if you click on this HTML2, you're gonna see this car. For doing this, let's just remove this, and I'm gonna say my and the car.html. Okay, and I'm gonna see a error again. Actually, let's just save this file, and I'm gonna come my website. If I refresh this, you can see here, if I click here in the index.html, I should go to the mycar.html. But if I click here, I'm just gonna see an error because there is no mycar.html file. I have here mycar.jpg file. Okay, the extension is so important here. You should write here jpg, and if you save this file, if you come here and the refresh, click here and also click here, you're gonna see your car in here. Okay guys, let's come back here again. Let's just remove this. Or before we removing this, let's just call this back. I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna say the target and the underscore blank. Okay, if you go to your website and if you refresh, you can see if I click here, I'm just gonna open this picture in the new tab. You can see I just create this in the new tab. Okay guys, let's finish this lesson here. Let's see you in the next video.